Come on.
All right. Oscar Wilde died in bed, several floors above my head, living well beyond his means in that crazy Paris scene. Rain falls down in sheets so clear, no one ever calls me here. Traveling by myself these days, I'm in the jazz and milk parade. On from that old eastern shore, searching for strange metaphors. I don't want to be another victim of fashion. No, I don't want to see my name in the paper each day. Hey, you can leave that to the young Turks. You're more handsome and dashing, posing for paparazzi down Laguna Way. Not down in the metro, I feel the world start to multiply. Bastille, rubber heels, spiked heels, subterranean lullaby. Met an African prancer, a hemisphere dancer, spied the ghost of Brazans. We smiled at the secret we shared, and I hid it like contraband. Quietly making noise, starts with kindergarten toys. Not too soft, not too loud, just enough to draw a crowd. Quietly, quietly, quietly making noise. Followed the beat, hey, I found myself in this patois spot. Outside a blizzard was blowing, but inside the joint was hot. Zook songs, rubber thongs, sing-alongs, a word flew right by my face. No rhythm and motions, a blammer jam potion you cannot erase. Quietly making noise, kissing on the old killjoys. Glass backs on a hot Mustang, Telecaster with a twang. Quietly, quietly, quietly making noise. Singers and writers and poets have flocked here for centuries. The city of light is built upon mountains of memories. Baritone, saxophone, monotone speak of the voice I've heard before. It's a lasting impression, a gypsy expression you cannot ignore. We're quietly making noise. Starts with kindergarten toys. Not too soft, not too loud, just enough to draw a crowd. Quietly, quietly, quietly making noise. Yeah, we're quietly making noise. Pissing off the old killjoys. Not too soft, not too loud, just enough to draw a crowd. Quietly, 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 quietly making noise. Oh yeah, whole lot of noise.
Nice job.
That's a good song.
It is a good song. You did it well.
Thank you.